Glad to have you with us today. This is Chris Root, and today we're going to cook some pork shoulder country style ribs. Some really good stuff here. These are meaty, and I'm going to cook them on the Blackstone grill. Slow cook them, and this is going to be, you think you'd not be able to do it, but I'm going to do it on the Blackstone grill. And here we go. Okay, so folks, I'm going to get these out of here. Throw them in the bowl here. Just like this. And get them in there. Let me throw this away. So now, let me, I gotta wash my hands. Okay, folks, here we go. Now, I'm gonna wash my hands again anyway, but I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna season all these. I'm gonna take some, and I do it separately. I don't like to mix all the mixture up. I like to do it separately and spread around each ingredient. Now I'm gonna get some chili powder. Put it on there. Mix up that chili powder, and here. A little more. Okay. Cumin. I like cumin. Get some cumin in there. Humans like cumin. Yes, sir. Alright. Black pepper. Yeah, we like some black pepper in there. You can get some in there. Okay, I like paprika. Lots of nice paprika in there. Just a hint of jalapeno chili powder. Jalapeno chili powder. Yeah. Like that jalapeno chili powder. This is special. A Memphis-inspired seasoning rub. And I like to include this in my ingredients. It's a rub, but I'm just going to make it one of the partial ingredients. And some garlic salt. Yeah. Alright. And some regular salt. There we go. Let's mix this whole mixture up. Yeah, get it all mixed in there. Get this thing on there. Nice. Yeah. I'm going to cover this and let it set for, maybe half an hour. Let these things settle in there. And I'm going to see you by the Blackstone griddle. All right. See ya. All right. Here we are. Here we are at the griddle, and we're going to cook all these ribs very slow, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, first I want to turn it on high. I had it up pretty high. I warmed it up, and I'm kind of gonna brown all the sides on here and see if we can get all the sides kind of like get a nice little crisp to them. So got it on high. This is low right here, but I'm going to turn it off. So I have, I'm going to move it over just slightly over here to the unheated side, and I'm going to use this to cover it on low with this side off. See how that works. Let me get something to turn that. Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn them. Ooh, that jalapeno chili, it's got some kick to it. Smell. Looking pretty good, huh? Let me break that down a little bit more. Yeah, look at that. Pretty nice. This is the very hot side right here. I'm going to turn that side off now. So I'm going to get these on these thick ones like this on its side like that. I'm going to turn these down now. Okay. I'm going to move these over here. The flame is right here. So I'm going to move these all over here like this. Just barely past the flame on the low side. Now, I'm going to cover this. Open the vent slightly. So this is off now. This is on low. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right, folks, here we are. I got this thing almost done. Okay, so I'm taking this thing off now. It's been cooking for about 45 minutes. And so I'm just gonna set that on the side there. I'm gonna turn this up, turn it up all the way, and I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on it now, just for just to get that crisped up. Okay, yeah, we're gonna crisp these things up. Now this is ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, pickle juice, some spices, and a bit of sugar. So it's my own recipe. Let's see. Whoa, fall apart. Flashing a little bit. Let's turn down just a little bit. I don't want it to really burn that fast. There. Let's see how it looks. First turnover. Oh yeah, it's getting there. That smell, oh boy, that smells excellent. And this is so tender. This meat is so good. This piece fell apart. Just fell off of there. Oh my gosh. This is great. This side right here cooks better. That's right where the move that over there. Move that over there. These are looking good. Okay, we'll put that one over there. Yeah. This is excellent. Look at this. Okay. It looks good. Turning this off now. Look at that. Amazing, folks. Just simply amazing. Okay, folks, I'm taking her off. Look at that. That's amazing. Amazingly tender. I guess the full amount of time that I cooked this is about an hour. And they're pretty much tender. Just by cooking it just like I showed you right here. Man, it is something else. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Man. I'm gonna see you in there and in the kitchen, okay? Here I go. Well, folks, here's my stuff. Look at those ribs. Oh my gosh. Look at those ribs. Oh my. These are so. Let me look here. I just gotta get a piece off. Whoa, that's hot. Yeah, I just want to get a piece off. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Now, I'm going to have this all week long. Take it for my lunches and for my wife, everybody. You know, if anybody comes over, I'll reheat it. Oh my gosh, these are good. Oh my gosh. I can't tell you how good these are. Just at the end, burning that barbecue sauce on there. Just the right amount of Christmas right there. Just the right amount. So good. Okay, folks. See you next time. Grilling or cooking on the griddle, the Blackstone griddle. We'll see you next time. Hello folks, this is Chris Rude, and today I'm gonna cook some spare ribs, pork spare ribs. Let's start over again. Oh, hello folks, Chris Rude here. Today we're gonna cook some pork shoulder blade country style ribs. Pork. Let's start over again. Oh yeah, I gotta wash my hands again.